So my darlings, I just wanted to do an update on the garden. It's raining out, it's pouring out, so I gotta be quick. And our tomatoes are coming up here. And this, I think those are green beans. Yeah, it's pouring, so just a quick. So some of these are peppers, I guess, and some beans. And I wanted to show you that tiger lilies are up now. I just love those. And the bush at the end with the beautiful pink purpley colors. So pretty. So my darlings, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. And welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me here today. So my darlings, I made a little naan. It's like a naan bread pizza. I've showed this to you before, and you've probably seen it other places too. Like I didn't make this up, but I got some pepperoni, a little tomato sauce, some goat cheese, orange pepper, a little Parmesan cheese, a little those pepper flake things, some olives, and some cheddar cheese. And I'm going to put it in the fryer. So here it is, my darlings, out of the air fryer. I did put it on air fry for 400 for 10 minutes, but I did about 5 minutes in the air fryer, and I thought that was pretty good. So there it is. Good. And I guess Tim Hortons are making these now. I haven't tried it, but I've heard that they're good. So my darlings, here's my lunch for today. I did up some chicken drumsticks in the air fryer, and I put these buffalo sauce on there that I got from, I think it was Dairy Queen. We had Dairy Queen a while back, and I just kept those to put on. So this is what I'm having for my lunch today. And I just did them in the air fryer. Good. So my darlings, here is my shrimp Caesar salad that I just made. And I actually did the shrimp in the air fryer. I cleaned them, and then I seasoned them, and then I put them in the air fryer just for a few, like 3 minutes on air fry at 390. And they look, oh, the smell is awesome. And I also put some garlic butter on there too before I turned the air fryer on. And then I just made a bit of a Caesar salad there. So this is my lunch for today. Good. So my darlings, I got my lunch takeout today from Pizza Hut, as you can see. I got the Cinnabon mini rolls. I've never tried these before from Pizza Hut. Well, that's what they look like. I didn't know there were so many. Like, these were like 8 something. Let me tell you. Oh my gosh, I just got a big whiff. $8.79. I just got a whiff of them. They smell really good. So I got those, and then I got another My Box, and this is new actually. Well, My Box isn't, but at Pizza Hut they have new chicken strip meal with the fries, and you get to pick a dip for I think it's $13.49. So this is actually cheaper than Dairy Queen. You can get 6-piece chicken strip meal with your dip and fries for like, I think $17 or $18. So it's significantly different. But this is my lunch. Good. I love chicken strips. I've always had. It's my go-to meal when I was a kid. When we'd go out to eat, I'd always get the chicken strip. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Got mashed potatoes that I made from scratch. A pork chop that I did in the air fryer. I kind of overdid it. And then we got broccoli that I washed and cut and put some cheese sauce on. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. So my darlings, my hubby brought home this President's Choice s'more cream pie because he knows how much I love like s'mores. And this is actually, I believe, new for President's Choice for their summer menu or whatever they do. I don't know what you call it. But yes, it's our spin on the campfire treat. Toasted to perfection. Bring s'mores indoor with our richly delicious twist on a campfire favorite. Made with a creamy chocolate filling, toasted meringue, and a toasted graham crumb crust. Thaw, serve, and enjoy. President's Choice s'more cream pie. Good. Let me know down below if you've given this a try, if you've bought it, if you enjoyed it or not. I'd love to hear. So here it is out of the box. Looks good. So here's what it looks like. I cut a slice. We had it, Rob put it in the freezer, so it's still a little bit frozen. And there's the other slice. But I did have a taste of the meringue, and the meringue to me tastes like marshmallows. Anyways, it tastes really good. So I'll let you know how we like it, or if we don't. But that is what it looks like. Oh, and I also wanted to let you know this was picked up at No Frills. This was bought at No Frills. So my darlings, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I needed some help, so we got the hamburger helper, cheeseburger macaroni. I need some help tonight. Kind of tired, so here's the cheeseburger macaroni, and oh my gosh, does it ever smell good? So this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Sometimes you just gotta, you know, try to do something somewhat easy. Just gonna turn that down a bit. Good. So my darlings, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I made a tater tot casserole, and really all it is this tater tots, some ground beef with cream of mushroom soup and grated cheese, and I just cooked it all together. So this is what we're having tonight, and yes, it is kind of a heavy dinner, I guess, but I was kind of craving this, so this is what we're having. Good. There, I took a slice out there for you so you can see what the inside looks like. So my darlings, this is what we're having, or what I'm having for dinner tonight. My hubby had something else, but I made this chicken breast. It was actually one chicken breast, and I cut it in half, so it made two. And I put a little barbecue sauce on there, and I'm just going to just turn that off for a second. And this is what I'm making a little wrap out of it. I made some cheddar broccoli rice in there. And then so I've got some rice, and then I've got the other little chicken breast cut up. And some peppers that I already had, and I put them in the air fryer as well. Some grated cheese, and some hot sauce, and some sour cream, and a little Dijon mustard. And yeah, so now I'm going to roll it up and put it in my frying pan. So here's the end result, my darlings. This is what I'm having for dinner tonight. A little chicken burrito. Chicken done in the fryer. Good. Want to get into it before it gets cold. Hope you're all having a great night. So my darlings, we're going to have these pork sirloin kebabs for dinner. It's a value pack of 8 kebabs. And you can do them different ways. I took them out of the freezer. We froze them, and I took them out of the freezer, but hubby's going to do them on the barbecue. Very kind of him to do them on the barbecue. And I think I have a little bit of stuff left to do up a salad, so I'm going to do a salad with it. So that's what we're going to be having for dinner tonight. I'll show the end result. So I got them out of the packaging. It was supposed to be like easy peel, but I guess I did it wrong. So they're ready to go to give to my hubby to put on the Barbie. Good. They're pork sirloin kebabs. I think they're somewhat marinated, but there doesn't seem to be a lot of the marinade left on there. I don't know. You can smell it. Smells good. So here are the little salads I made. Just some stuff left over. There's peppers and little broccoli and carrot. And goat cheese. Parmesan cheese. So we're out here in our gazebo. I don't know, the camera doesn't want to focus. Here we go. Oh, and Rob's got the kebabs on there. So here's our pork sirloin kebabs. Rob did them on the Barbie like I showed you. And oh yeah, I'm going to have a Sprite for my, and I've had half my salad. Very good. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Good morning, my darlings. I hope you're all having a great morning. I just wanted to share. I realize this isn't what I'm having for dinner, but I just wanted to share. I'm having some oatmeal this morning, and I have some chia seeds and blueberries in there. I got these chia seeds from the Dollarama, and then my hubby went and bought a great big bag of Kirkland whole blueberries from the Canadian Costco, because blueberries are very, very good for you. So this is what I'm having for my breakfast this morning. Good. Hope you're all having a great morning. And here's what I'm having for dinner tonight, my darlings. In the bowl right here is habitant soup. It's a pea soup with smoked ham in it, and I just put some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of grated pepper, and those red hot flake things. And then the bun is from Costco. My husband picked up a big bag of buns, and we had them the other night, and they're really good. And then I cooked up some of these butterflied shrimp also. So this is what I'm having for my dinner tonight. Rob's having a bigger bowl of this soup with 2 buns. And he's got a little dessert and everything. But this is what I'm going to have. And with some water. Good. So this is the Habitant pea soup with smoked ham, my darlings. I just wanted to show you the can. Since 1918. Another one of my lunch salads, my darlings. And this time, instead of using any like chicken or meat or shrimp or anything like that, hubby had bought some pickled eggs. So I used one of the pickled eggs and put it around, like kind of for like my protein. So yes, this is my salad for my lunch today. Let me know what kind of salads you guys like down below. I'd love to hear. Because there's so many different salads you can do. And they're so much fun to make. Good. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. We're at Red Lobster. And look at, there's the famous biscuits. And yeah, we're just being plain today. We're having the lemon with water. And I just wanted to show you the restaurant a little bit. Oh, there he is. So we're starting out tonight with escargots. I got the Thursday nights at Red Lobster. They have a deal. Two can dine. 65. Yeah, so you get to pick a starter, and this is what we're having. Escargot. Look at it, nice and bubbly in there. Good.
It's great.
And look at Rob's fish and chips and the coleslaw. Big thing of coleslaw and fish and chips. I think Wednesday nights are their deals on the fish and chips. And then here's the date night food here. Got a bunch of shrimp, some scallops, some lobster. You get to choose 2 sides. So you get fries and some mashed potatoes there. Good. And I'll probably take some of this home.
Wonderful.
For my lunch tomorrow. Okay. And my darlings, we get to end with their chocolate wave cake, I think it's called, and it's a really good one. This is part of the dinner for two on Thursday nights. And oh my gosh, I just love it. So thank you for joining us at Red Lobster.
And we even have leftovers.
Oh, yes, and I even have this to take home for my lunch tomorrow.
It's quite busy.
So my darlings, here's my green bean casserole I made for dinner tonight. And once again, we're going to have some rolls from Costco with this. So the green beans, the red pepper, some female bacon in there, a cream of mushroom soup, and a little bread crumbs on the top, mozzarella cheese with some Parmesan cheese. Yeah, so this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. And here's a better look at the green bean casserole that I made. And I put some of those hot pepper flakes, crushed red pepper flakes I guess they're called, on mine, not my hubby's.